Yes, T. It's obvious she make her decision already.
Sylvie as the enemy.
I don't think it's she see as an enemy, T. I think it's just that she feel like she obligated to Carlton. So, he was the only person or the person that was there for her since the incident.
But we would have did a fear too. I think Carlton just fighting our mind against the agency.
No, me just really think them care for each other.
But Miranda's still out there after them. We can't just unprotected.
We're not going to leave them unprotected, T. Me still have one move leave up my sleeve.
Okay.
T, I must tell you still. I'm proud of you, you know. You did well on the others.
Bubbles, trust me. I get nervous when I see him reach back and you're still in the house.
You did a call me, not true.
I ring your phone about 7 times.
And you know, said that must never happen again.
I know that. You want that man again.
Good girl. But you understand why it's not supposed to happen again, right?
Yeah. You could have jeopardized the apps if your phone did ring while you're in the house.
Exactly. That is why I tell you, say, may go up on radio silence.
I understand completely.
It's a learning experience, you know, T. Just take heed and make sure you don't make the same mistake twice.
Yeah. Thanks for the words of wisdom.
That's my duty to my team, Tonian. T.
Me there.
Where your head go a little while?
Whisper.
Me know.
You're gonna talk to him, right, Bubbles?
Me tell you, say me go talk to him. Just give him a few.
Nobody now go after him like when resign.
T. It's not like the agency active. And me alone know say him resign. So I'm good.
I've been trying to call him, but no answer.
I tell you already. Give him some time.
Never do that.
After the next operation, we'll move our attention to the minister.
Alright. We set a meeting with Vanessa, so we'll have the information you need by Friday.
That's my agent.
Yes, ma'am.
T. One caller coming from numbers. May I call you back later?
Alright. Later.
Yes, numbers.
Miss Brissette, we need your help, you know.
You need my help. With what?
We need you to bail me.
Bail you?
John, thanks in the agent B. I believe me when I time, the priest of the man, them are going to run my file and find out everything about me.
Numbers. Remember, say Mr. Mullins cleared that up already. So them not going to find nothing.
But I really have to thank the big man still now because you see that bad record there. That's something would have followed me up right through my life, you know.
Him no say you do what you do because you da try help some people.
Yeah, but I end up dipping a fame account to try help some people and land me away for a minute, you know. But bless him up for me still, you know.
You know, say your nephew in a serious trouble though.
Agent B, me I tell you the truth. They don't want to talk about that, you know. Cause so a man make him beg, so him for lying night.
Alright, boss. So, where you do now? You want me drop you somewhere?
Good for now, you know. I go and chill down at Vicious place until Omega forward.
Alright then. Just remember, me need you for your apps in a few days.
Agent B, anytime you're ready, man, just reach out.
Alright.
Oh, the next thing is, you get a chance to link up with Mr. Wallace for that thing they want to deal with.
Me link him now. But here what? I want you to stay near your laptop for a few days. Come on, I want you to do some checks with me.
Say a word, man. Simple thing, yeah?
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Alright, numbers.